Feeling the effects of Tropical Storm Harvey in southeast Texas. Here, all it's really doing for us is just switching our winds around toward the northwest. So it is actually a little less humid and nice out there for a change. I guess you could say that about our usual humidity, but mainly dry in the RGV. I mean, Harvey is giving us practically no rain. There might be one small little sprinkle or shower somewhere the next couple of days, but that's about it. Harvey continues to flood southeast Texas and Houston area. Probably through tomorrow, a lot more heavy rain still in the area. It may kind of taper off a bit more either late Wednesday or early Thursday, and then some drier weather later in the week. So you definitely want to check your weather and travel plans before headed to the north in those areas, because there will be flooding even ongoing after the storm finally leaves later this week. Now, current temperatures in the valley, the clouds have been thinning out a little bit the last couple of hours, but enough clouds around today to keep temperatures from getting too hot. Although we're still 98 in McAllen, it's actually dropped back below 90 now, down to 89 in Harlingen, 88 in Raymondville, and 93 in Rio Grande City. And the wind's still a little gusty. If you're up early this morning, I think the wind gust kind of woke me up a little bit this morning. The gusts were up close to 40 miles per hour. Still 33 in McAllen from the north and 33 also in Brownsville. Should see the breezes decrease after sunset. And then I think still a fairly breezy day returns again tomorrow, kind of light today. There you can see the heavy rain. We'll show you a close-up again and some of the estimated totals later this hour, but the heaviest of rain right now is right back in Houston and Richmond, where Tim Smith is, and parts of southeast Texas. The storm is trying to move back over the Gulf waters, which is going to give it a chance and maybe intensify slightly before it runs back in the land. So the latest on Harvey, location 28.5 north, 95.7 west. Winds have increased slightly to 45 miles per hour, moving back over the waters very slowly at 3 miles per hour. And if you watch the track between now and through Tuesday and early Wednesday morning, about the next, say, 30 hours of time, it does move back over water and then kind of drifts back inland or close to Galveston and the Houston area by the daytime on Wednesday. So Houston's right about there on the map, and you see the storm very close on Wednesday. And then it finally gets a nudge northward by Thursday. So I think the heavy rain will come to an end in the Houston area either later Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, or early Thursday. And then the storm weakens and finally moves out of the area up through Arkansas and the Midwest over the weekend, and could still make some at least temporary heavy rain there. Now, future track does show pretty dry weather in the valley. Partly cloudy skies this evening and clearing out into mainly clear skies late this evening and tonight. Tomorrow is another day when it may be a bit breezy again like today, but I think it will be a little sunnier overall, so temperatures could be hotter than today. We may see a lot of places up around 100 degrees. If there is a plus to that, though, the winds are still from the northwest and should keep the humidity down, so it may not be feeling like your typical 100-degree day in the valley, maybe actually a little more comfortable. And then Wednesday, kind of the same thing, a hot day with some sunshine, and temperatures could be back around 100 degrees again on Wednesday. Future track tries to show maybe one shower or two, but I think that's probably overdone. So rain chances, if they're not 0%, they're pretty close to 0% Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday across the valley, with not much rain at all in the forecast. Tonight, I think we could cool off a few more degrees because of the lower humidity, and after the winds die off, lows could dip, I think, down to the lower to middle 70s in some areas. So maybe one of the cooler nights we've had in a while. Lows near 73 and a lighter wind overnight. But right back up to about 100 tomorrow. I think today was breezy. Tomorrow about equally as breezy with the winds from the north and northwest, but humidity down up near 100 degrees, and the tiniest of chances you might catch a sprinkle if the clouds do thicken up briefly. First 1570 forecast, highs near 100 in most areas Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and that really includes all the way down through most of Cameron County and Willoughby counties. I mean, some days in the summer, you know, we say it's 100, but it's only 100 like around Edinburgh and McAllen to the west. I mean, we could see temperatures right around 100 near Brownsville, San Benito, Raymondville tomorrow, and even again on Wednesday. So just about equally hot everywhere. Later in the week, the weather pattern starts to shift a bit. We could start to see maybe one or two sprinkles or showers by Saturday, but an increasing chance of a couple more showers and storms here by either later Sunday or Monday afternoon. So if you're hoping for some rain, I think finally maybe some areas get some rain either by Sunday or Monday, and that also helps to drop temperatures just a little coming up as we get through the end of August and start September, which, you know, is the rainy time around here. So we'll keep tracking the rain chances and the hot temperatures in your first 1-5 forecast. Stay tuned.